And what we have done is we have created a enum called command where we have all the commands. Okay. Each command has its regular expression to represent the syntax for the command. Okay. And it also has a help string, right? So that can be changed. Okay, I think let's try updating this part. Okay, to show another syntax basically. Okay, I'll just show another syntax which we have for a string. Okay, we can use triple quotes. Okay, and go to the next line. Okay. And use triple quotes to end it. Okay. Here now whatever I came, it's going to be taken as it is. Right? Even if I use quote, double quote, or anything, yes, that can be used. This is known as a block comment. Text block. This is a text block. So you want to specify some more messages? Yes. Okay. Right. So yes, there's just another thing which I have put here. So this is what will be the value of the string. Okay. And I've used quotes and everything, right? So this is known as a text block. You can use triple quotes to create a text block. Okay. Right. So here, these initial spaces will not become part of the string. Okay.
So can you please repeat that? Triple quotes to do what?
To create a text block. We call it as a text block.
Text block. Thank you.
Okay. Fine. So anyway, this is again from something around Java 14 or so. Okay, this text block. It wasn't there earlier, so you can use like this triple quotes. Okay. Fine. See, after triple quotes, always take it to the next line. That's one thing. That's a requirement. Okay, so you could, and I'm doing it for two of them, but yeah, so you can change your right? What goes out in the help? Yeah, I think we also needed a help as a get help string as a method. We have defined a method called help. Yeah, so that's it's there. Okay. So then let's proceed and go for implement. I think we implemented the open command, and we can start implementing the other commands, right? Okay. Okay. So yeah, we wanted to implement the. Okay. So this simply therefore it's there for our reference anyway. So here, let me shift it here as I complete. Yeah. Okay, so we have the case for deposit. Yeah, so if it's a deposit, what should be done? First thing in any of these cases is to find out the from the capturing group, capture the account number and the amount in this case, right? So we'll say, okay, long account number equal to, we already have a declaration of account number earlier and in the earlier block, so we can straight away assign. Okay, and this would be yeah, fine. It will be matcher dot group, and you can ask for ACN, right? I think that's what we have done, right? The name given is ACN for the capturing group. Okay. And long amount is equal to okay. So two things done. Next, invoke the method on the bank. Okay, but that will require a try catch. Okay. Catch either a negative amount exception or a no such account exception. Okay. And what do we keep in the catch block? Some error message. We can simply do a response writer dot println and okay, whatever that exception is. Fine. And in any case, yeah, now we have to do as a here we have to do the deposit step. Bank dot deposit amount. Yeah, account number and the amount. Okay. Bank has a deposit method with two parameters. Okay. Fine. So the next case is for withdraw. Okay. And let's write the case first, then we'll comment it out. Okay, again I think it's almost similar, so let's just copy this. This will comment out. Account number is fine. Amount is now already declared. Okay. Here we'll say try. In this we'll say now this returns a boolean value if I use a withdraw method here, right? Okay. So here we can say if not, okay, if not bank dot withdraw. We'll put it like this. We'll put it in a if. In that case, yeah, I think we forgot something earlier also. Writer dot println. Yeah. Insufficient balance, and that's what is the message over here. Okay, fine. And in any case, you must use a bank dot display account number. This line, I think we have forgotten in the earlier case. When we do a deposit, and do a deposit and display. Here, do a withdrawal. Okay, and this is doing the withdrawal part. Okay. So we have got it here. Yeah. Okay. So do a withdrawal and then display. Fine. So this will be for the withdraw. Okay. What are the other cases? We have a transfer. I think more like withdraw. We'll copy paste and then we'll rewrite it. Okay, in case of transfer, there are three fields to be captured. Right. First is the from ACNO, right? Yeah. So from ACNO. So okay, we have long from account number equal to, and here will be the from account number. Okay. Similarly, we'll have another long to account number, and this also changes to 12. So that's a capturing field, right? The name of the capturing field. Capturing group basically, yeah. Okay, third one is anyway amount. So those three fields we have captured, and then what do we do? If not bank dot, this will be transfer. I think we have the method for transfer with three parameters. Okay, now what should we be displaying? Okay, let's display both the accounts. Okay, in response we should be giving both the accounts.
In this case also, for the tour is case we also some invalid account number for from.
So we have this catch exception. and we are catching the no such account exception. Okay. And so catching of no such account exception is there. It's included here. Okay. Okay. Next one is for the passbook command, and that should be easier. Let's check. I'll just pick up the deposit method, case for deposit, and it will be slightly less than this. Okay. We only have to call the display method, right? Passbook. Yeah, okay. So here is the case for passbook. Okay, it's only the account number that we will be fetching. Okay, we don't have the second field coming up, and we don't have this one. We'll just call the display method. Catch, there's no negative amount exception here, and catch is only for the no such account exception. Okay. And so case for passbook is like this. I think one thing we are forgetting in all of these cases is we are forgetting the continue at the end. For open, yeah, we have put the continue, but and we will have to continue with the next command, right? Go and continue in the while loop. Okay. End of withdraw, again we should have a continue. Okay, fine. And same way, yes. So this was passbook. Oh, sorry. I called display here. Bank dot. It's not display. It's a print passbook. Right? That's a method in the bank. Okay. We'll copy this case for display. Okay, I should have copied this first. And in case it is display, this will be calling display. Okay. Fine. In case of a close, yeah. And for a close, yes, what are we supposed to do? Okay, let me just copy paste from here and then we'll see what is the next thing to be done. Okay, case of a close. Okay, account number is given. here now when we do this, yes, it returns amount, find closing balance, bank dot method is close. Fine. Okay, it returns the closing balance. Okay, so first thing we will do is response writer dot println. Okay, and just say closed account plus the account number plus with balance plus the closing balance. Okay, and so we'll give this account number was closed with this balance. Okay, comment this. Next one is for the list. It doesn't need parameters. Case list. There's no parameter, right, to be fetched. So simply, I think, and it doesn't have throw an exception. Okay, list will not be throwing an exception. We can simply say bank dot list accounts, and we'll just check the method name whether that's correct or not. Okay, and continue. Okay, for list, it's going to be like this. Fine. Quit anyway would not be entering here. In that case, is actually not needed. It's taken care in the while loop. But yes, we'll be getting, we might be getting the help. Okay. In case the command is help, yeah, what should be done? Case yeah, bank. Okay. In this case, simply we have the help method here in the BankClerk, and simply invoke the help and continue. And just comment this, and I think we finished all the cases. Good morning. Okay, fine. So yeah, I think we have finished all the cases. We'll just check any compilation errors or anything. We can fix them.
So we forget to comment on transfer. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now we can compile and try to run the code. Okay. There's some bracket related error, it seems. There's a 95, then 100, 600, 700. Yeah, one bracket less in all those parse long methods. So It's a repeat. 95, 100, 600, 7, 17, 18. Okay. Here, one bracket was less. Okay, so I think,
Also among these,
yeah. So it's the same in all the cases, right? This also same. I think one bracket was missing. For amount also one bracket is missing. Yeah. I think after this, we don't have parameters to be captured. We have not used the parse methods. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue again.
method name is close account.
Close account. And before this, transfer funds or something like that. It must be transfer funds. Okay, let's check with the code for the bank class. Yeah, what are the actual method names? Transfer funds, right? Transfer funds, and other was about the close, right? That's a close account. Right? Okay. It's a close account method, and the other is before this. Yeah. Transfer funds. Okay. Let's try compiling now. Yeah. Okay. So it's compiled, and now we can bank clerk. We need to pass a bank name, and we need to pass some code. Okay. It's waiting, right? Okay. And so we can try the list command. Okay. There are no accounts in this list, empty list. Fine. So fine. So what should be done normally? Should we put it like this, or give a message saying, okay, it's an empty list? Okay, so think on that, right? How can it be done? Okay, list, then open. Let's try to open a current account. Okay. And try the list again. Okay. And so list is working. Okay. Then we open another account, savings account for same person. Okay, list. And want to do a transfer 445344 from this to okay, and amount to be transferred, let's have some penalty coming there, so it can be 95,000. Now see, illegal argument exception, no group with name AMT. Okay, so there's a problem with the regular expression now. So see, a runtime exception, if it occurs, it's breaking our code like this. So what should be done? When you're getting this point, this can happen other places also, in all other cases. Okay, fine. There is a problem. Yes, we have found a problem. There is something like we have used something like say, okay, capturing group by the AMT. Okay, it's in case of transfer. For deposit, it was fine, but in this case, so something wrong with the regular expression for in case of transfer to account number. And so okay, let's check this. What have we done here? What's the regular expression doing here? Fine, this is to account number, and then what is it? Oh, it is AMOUNT. Here, this is where we are giving the capturing group name. Yeah, our capturing group starts from here. Okay, this is the capturing group. And the name which has been given is amount. Fine. So one option is to change in the regular expression where the regular expression is defined. It's in that enum basically, or we can change it in the code here. Right? Okay, then we change it here, let's say. Okay, but one thing, how do you take care of that? Here, with the catch block, we are only catching the checked exceptions which are known to us. Okay, but when, for example, yes, we are making use of certain things which may result in an unchecked exception. So what should be done? I do not want to exit from this in any case, whatever it may be, right? I would like it to be displayed here. Okay, so one option, some easier option is to just say, okay, I'm going to catch any kind of exception. Okay, then you could just change it to this. All the catch blocks can be changed to this. Okay, fine. You want a specific message for a negative amount exception or a specific message for a no such account exception? So that catch block could be included before this. So you could have still be having this. Okay. no such account exception, and E, and I'll say okay. Plus any. I'm just putting that additional thing before. Okay. But if you want, yes, you can do it like this. Okay. Fine. So the catch blocks could be updated to take care of all of the exceptions. List and help do not have exceptions, but earlier cases are still pending. Okay, before transfer. Okay. So this should now be working, even if there are some exceptions which we may not have thought of, right? Any kind of exception. Okay. Compile, run. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we want to try out. Okay, let's do some transfer. I think transfer from. We didn't try deposit withdraw. We should be trying out every command, and then we'll know if there are some errors. Okay. Transfer of funds from 453 paper 4. Okay, it has 2 lakh. Okay, so from this to okay, and you transfer how much? Huh? Achha. Okay, fine. And amount to be transferred? 195. Okay, let's have some penalty coming. Then you can just ask for the list. Then you can see this. And we can do a passbook for passbook is working. Okay, I think that amount, AMT, right? That's a problem with others also. Anyway, acha, but why should it have come out? It should have continued, right? Did we? Okay. Have we compiled it again? I'll just compile, I think. Let's try a deposit. Okay. Open current account. Deposit. Okay. So it's not taken care. Let's check what's happening. Okay. Yeah, you can see why we are coming out because of the exception. Okay. Why is it coming out because of exception? We have written catch for exception, but it's coming out because of exception. Our catch block seems to be good. Okay. Look at the error, where the error is occurring. Run method, line number, BankClerk.java, line number 107. Check that out. Okay, it's not only in this case, it's in other cases where we have the amount field. Yeah. Can you figure out what the problem is? See, what we wanted was, even if there is some problem, right, it should still continue taking the next command. It shouldn't terminate. We don't want it to terminate. So where is the problem? Yeah. So this code has a problem, yes. Yeah. Okay, you know the line where it is happening, or this is happening here in this case. We'll make the correction, that's fine, but even if I didn't correct, at least, okay, let it not work, but let it now go for accepting the next command. How could I manage that? Where's the problem in our thinking here? It should be the try block. It's not within the try block, so it will be exited. The error which is occurring is not part of the try block. Okay. And so these lines should have been inside the try block. Okay. The declaration can be earlier. And so we could have long, something like this. Okay. And so yeah, we'll have to check from the beginning, I think. In the switch block, starting from the open, yeah. All of these, yes, they are. These all can be throwing exceptions, right? And so I'll say the string declaration. Maybe set it to null. Okay, and let type be okay, because that's only one place usage. Account number also I'll have to declare, and just declaring the long. Okay. And shift the try block now. After all the declarations are done, yes, that's where we'll do. Right? Okay, this anyway, we haven't used it outside. Okay, this is taken care earlier. Yeah. Okay. And so that's a correction when we are thinking about catching all exceptions. Okay. Fine. Now, yes, coming to the deposit thing, yeah, this has a problem. Okay. Long amount equal to 0 is fine. Account number is taken care. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. But let's correct the problem here. Okay. Fine. Deposit wasn't working, and the reason was okay. Same way, withdraw also has the same problem. Okay. But one thing, both of these part of try. Okay. For transfer again. Okay. The yeah, we have corrected the things, but okay, these things should be part of the try. From account number to account number, no one else is anyway using it later, so this is fine. It's not used outside the block. Acha, passbook. Okay, we don't have the amount field now. Withdraw method, have we changed, updated the amount field? Transfer we changed, but in withdraw, have we done that? Amount, okay, this is done. Deposit also we did, right? Okay. Anyway, we'll test and we'll know. Okay, just confirm display. Okay, I think that's done. Yeah? Okay, so let's now try again. We have to try withdraw also. Transfer 45344. Okay, let's try withdrawal also. Yeah. Fine. Okay, so I think we provided a wrong account number. Okay. Okay, what's account number? 45344. 3. Okay, 4. Fine. Okay, let's try the other command, help command. Okay, fine. You can see the text block which we had used. Okay. That's being shown in the help command. Okay, fine. So you can update that help string further. You can put it as a text block, right? And so help messages, they may be elaborate and may contain quotes, single quote, double quote, anything, right? We have used quotes there, single quote, but we didn't require a backslash or anything. And that was the text block. In the place of enum, we have done that. Okay, so triple quotes, that's for a text block. And I think you can update that part, right? The text block. So use text block now, right? Wherever needed. Okay, remember it's only from Java 14, somewhere around Java 14. So if you are using the older version, fine, 8, 9 or something there, and then this won't be working. the text block. Okay, so now, yes, I think the class called BankClerk that has been done. Okay, so any questions? Yeah. Pattern matcher